Hi guys, today we will show you how to remove the skin of chicken and cut the chicken into the pieces in just 3 minutes. It's very easy and often we think it's difficult. Put your fingers inside the skin and push it back. The skin will come out easily. If the skin starts slipping, use a paper towel that holds skin tight and makes it very easy. If you pull the skin together, it will just tear off and come out easily. As you go on tearing off the skin, stop when it gets to the legs. Split the skin part into two parts. Remove the skin of first leg using paper towel. Push it and then pull it from the end. Now hold the skin in the paper towel for the second leg and pull it in the opposite side of the leg. And that's all. Now the remaining skin in the back, you can use another paper towel and just pull it and the skin will be gone. So it takes hardly 1 minute to remove all the skin of the chicken. Now we will see how to cut the chicken. Just flip the both leg pieces and break the bone, the main bone of the chicken. And then you can literally cut the skin by the knife and the two leg pieces will be separate. Now take the breast piece, cut it slightly and make a use knife to cut it slightly. Now you can take the scissor and literally cut the chicken in breast pieces into two parts. Whatever the bone remaining, you can use your knife and cut into two parts. It's that easy. It will take hardly 1 minute and your chicken will be in four parts. Now you can remove the wings to make lollipops. Keep the breast piece aside. You can also remove the wings of the second part and keep the breast piece aside. There will be the central bone piece remaining which you can cut apart if you want, and here you get the bone piece. Now let's come to the leg pieces. It's very easy. You can remove some skin and fat of the leg piece if you want, and just bend the leg piece in between to the two parts. The bone will crack. You can now really very easily cut the leg pieces into two parts. Take the scissor and just cut it one side of the bone, and, and then for the second side, if you want to remove the bone, you can just cut it by knife and it's all right. Your chicken is cut.